I just so many stories, very little time. Me say about sorry side of Ghana and Africa, no more because we say can wasem. And the stories be now was last week here. Yanti mi can wasem. Ne, ye rounding in up. Yes, just here. Now we just started there getting to Nigeria so for baby. Or see the birthday yancha na the or domina so ma.
You have the wisdom of the world. When you say, oh, Prophet Power, next A, B, and C, let's put money together. Even my birthday, some of you refuse to contribute. May God punish you.
I was just saying, so for a dinner birthday, and one daddy and one cochena, and then you no means say you. Who knew? Didn't I agree that fault? I grad dances I had now say BBB we are saying.
Because you are wicked. Unless you don't have. While I stand here, I preach. Some of you come to my office, you disturb me with prayers and everything. Give money for us to celebrate Pastor Cecilia. It's not like I'm coming to eat the money. It's for the food that you are coming to eat yourself. Some of you gave nothing and you ate like a pig and can't take away.
Take away the Quran hand. Or say a month for my birthday, no right, or my gift to be ama. And then came and eat the food, no, prepare. No. And then also prepare take away no mudikofi. And no kind of shoes of bad what I say. 1 minute present, 1 minute is car. 1 minute was your bed dinner bean. We are coffee was here for take away. Now one funny I mean no me the DMB.
I will say it if you're angry, change. Because if it was you and they come to me, I will give freely. Because you are a member and so I will look after you. But when it comes to your pastors, you don't want to know because you are selfish.
Yeah, but you are selfishness and the doors of what I say. Mukwa Solomon took or a doom of pastors' birthdays, almost time money present. Nadia one was almost Yakwakudi, Capito number 1. What I say, on Cho Biadia Crow, we are said that. Papa Beku number 2, PK Cradia Necon, US Emmy. Hey, on US Air Force. US Air Force one who use Range Rover 4th hand. One of the we are selfishness.
You are only thinking about yourself. That is the wisdom of the world. Somebody that has the wisdom of God will be there for one another. When you don't have, I give you. When I know that you are struggling, I give you the little that I have. Because that shows that I'm a kingdom citizen. Because it's when I was hungry, did you feed me? So if you're sitting here and you cannot pay something towards your pastor's celebration or your pastor's whatever, why are you here? You're a devil.
Well, I was here. Mr. Mommy was saying, it's like, on TSC say, even though some of one and say I'm married and no man gifts and all that, and still on the situation on them. I said, why are you here? Why are you there? Explain yourself. Say, won't watch your software gift. Now we're saying tears on them. Who was what you say?
And this is why pastors are bitter minus me because I'm not relying on nobody's money.
Na lie, mommy, Obuwa, so you are not relying on anybody's money. But still, I was working at Nomia Mount for say, Mamma Mechawa dear. You are rich a birthday in a Gabriel Skanka. I would have dinner me. I am quitting.
And it's not about £1,000 or £100. One little gift, like a voucher that Chantel gave me. I went and bought 2 blazers. It's not about the money. It's about your heart.
It's about your heart. Nasa nakuma no filise unya says or beroshia. Be intense or middle baby. And then you are also pissed off. While I was here, me say examine your doors. Wait there, no. Who your person or say. Now birthdays will be a mirror present, and that will be a mirror here. And then you're cursing. Now Abuja, another second woman pastor, kinky stuff will be a cause one net, and that's one Abuja is saying I can't was him. And it's saying, so for mammy, I go near bomb pioneer deliverance and all that. Mammy, we didn't quench a bar. So more quench na Abuja, and yes, simple one for your brother, as I say in you. Mammy, be in enough for one casa, not your 2 room. Now what will be more than my mouth one say, a holy muck. No problem be a wobiano, and I'm only a mini pantino. Or the 2 numa. Well, video ho, yanko.
I didn't have
check capito. Just I didn't share the num. Goodness gracious, was me free manum that. Now, the title of the video no but from baby video no from no. And no more castle yes of mommy. So what type of reaction as they say woman? If that this is in fact true and also a woman of God, this is sad. Agrada assassin. Obi ama kind of saying so for mommy present so wadwa. Say you the no for no so net. As only needing the Sabusiam Pemma, yen neighbor could be. No for the two to move for free. Or I never members in the bed also pa. Because over Senia, one was in no signal was here eager fan. Or the no for the two no no who's and quite in you. I was a boy and cassa. So what is this? Where am I soon Libya? No for as they say, do you walk on Hey, Miss Africa. Oh, Christianity wrong. Ye Jimino. Is that simple? What? Oh, Debbie. I will say, yes, I still now so for be so dear or ye kuradi echere. Would you know what I want to see? I saw them deliverance na kwanchereno. Ebinum dia duru karat. Ebinum dia duru taekwondo. Ebinum dia duru wrestling. To mami to pa. Well, you go video no so.
Come on. Come on.
Yes!
Okay. First of all, you hold on a minute. Abuja, what is this? Says a dear what the hell is this? Ah, Jesus. I'll send back. What is this? What at all is this? Nyamisumye. What at all is this? I know where you see me. Movie money, you're trying to buy my friend and once a man as a saying. What is this?
Yes!
Abusianti asonda mu deliverance ni saying na sofo tutu honhom bane ni honhom fifiri ni pomu sesei adi ya se abayifo okura na ye kra kom kogu dam na ya start ya from aka kire so ye bayifo hey Africa ya bro ye bra kasa ye tese eto de na wo hwe ya sum nyame na so hwe se normal we kwaso ye camp a oh it's very sad to say I will who ankasa not once and I'll be with it kramoni be yes something like this just oh yeah that ben nature well inside coronavirus season we my say sorry be the Christ Embassy Church akwase fantasy dome was saying COVID protocols were by see oh omobubu mrade so left and right what the footage of near course. Now you can clearly see that there is no COVID protocols here in place. I know it's AB as well as start. As well for the start say okay, there would be COVID protocols, but if there will be a nipa banner, they couldn't say okay, we no more ma. Then they allowed everyone in. And they drew baby no a trigger because this in Accra, the capital of coronavirus, Ghana. Everyone to me shama way so. And I see a report to the whole thing the police for. And the police for say some investigation. No more be find do culpable. Or be default no abusia. Ye be mamra ban asesa to wodo. Eni omodi. Yeah, and a fantasy dome no see yatum. You see why? I know that you guys want to have events and all that. But if they are buying especially in Accra, if they are buying, say, keep this open so but at least follow these protocols. At least make sure that they have people in place. You guys have people in place. I bet you put these measures in place. And even you set a limit. What you say? Then call in trouble. I know that this case, and all that, but still now, rule of law must, apply where needed. Well, but this, well, I was here. That wraps up about a sorry section of this daily wahala. Now, before say go to Reverend Obofo cheap so after audio leak more response yan talk about other stories about Ghana yantimi aka wasem last week. Number 1, say my be on kaswa che counterfeit kenkwan. Say counterfeit Ghana the wakwadre mu pa. Na police for so na be dey say counterfeit ho no ama na hwe video e roli antimu say yeah man ye twache ene scan it say odo no mpe 22 cedis ni bi da bi odo no ko 50 100 e na oyede no hu no otwa na the facts of the matter is say police for call ho ka so abuzu am kwache no yezu odo no yes am money doubling for 5,000 budget 10,000 ni bi ndi wo dey say real cash of 5,000 e kwa no am counterfeit of 10,000 what you say I ready jabe hey yezu ye kwache no Ghana must go mu no wa parking sika wi so wa yire ne ho atwitwa te so oba be printe na police for kokko so ano te say ye bisa ano no o say o business dey why involved initially or deny accusations ni nyina and yes later on no oba be kire me say okay oka ho but onye on na ba me read this section e kire o say aware of the mountain of evidence against him Kofi Appiah confessed he had been involved in the business for years. And he has been graduated to the central region agent, but not the manufacturer. Abuzia sa counterfeiting, no Abuzia. You mu graduation. The graduation ceremony by enche. Any akoswani yo. What we are here? Your legit business, doubling money which is fake, counterfeiting which will land you in trouble. All combined. No, now you are going in. If found guilty, you are going in for a very long time. Is it? Well, that is that. But should anyone swan na buzia? Uti say yeah. A police won't be man the bros pa. Ghana police. Hey, oh David. Now getting into the real territory, no. Yes, my Ibia or Angola. Our ware maku 47. Our maku 281. 281 in this day and age. Yes, my newu now. Oh yeah, Abuzia, my newu. Wawu of prostate cancer. Abuzia, how do you marry 47 wives? What the heading? Just what the heading? And 281 children. Just a mine will name me too. Until that time, they could oh, Abuzia, say my nephew, which is very sad, Yankasa. Ne man in Nana Lumina Beshia, may you ne you will go la. Abuzia, yeah, may his soul rest in perfect peace. Yeah, wajam ma just yes na yede nom ne man de wajam bebiri wa chiri pa. See one film no. Abusia na yede nom e di awerho. 47 wives, 281 children. Yeah, Abusia, it's not easy. It's not easy. But Abusia na easy ba ko say Ghana education minister or see the whole schools in Ghana at least headmaster's office there. Abusia e so ono ne picture and a president picture a bot dying home because to say and then be man kora hu nipa oye. Yeah, you let that sink in. That is baby I say whoa. Minister ni feel say you have to stroke his ego kakra. Until headmaster office you find the picture more dying home. Say na be ya nkora ni be hu say at least we ni na wotie ni nchire mu of ni enti a opese ni picture bodan ne ho na wodi etie or say Dr. Adutwim explained that when he was the deputy minister of education he taught some schools in the country and interacted with the students. The students, he said, were so fascinated and overly excited for coming into direct contact with him. That is the reason why until another person did the picture about what I know. Yes, no, yes, I interviewed one of the radio stations. Really? What was this? Just Abuzia didn't want to ask you. Why? Oh, that be this. I don't just say happen. So if we are going to spend money to do this, why are we not focusing on the most important things? Abuzia, that is that. Mainly we link to that article in our YouTube video description as well. Now I will read it for yourself. I will Ghana web. Just say it boggles my mind. Why would an education minister praise a or no new picture because say of course school one na say already nim kurani nim na nya fe no be spend the time explaining the type of person away. That is Ghana, we have a very long way to go, Ankasa. My cousin we Premesia Kabim. MPP government, it looks like say no man a priority, no. We don't focus on that, but do the things that they feel say it will help. But really it's not helping. What I say? But you call your name na make I say about turning this whole thing to politics. Now we are moving on. Kennedy Japan, we need so you be se bibi ko ya e fa wo say yo no ane ba ne yere ni business. Baby and Abia. Well, now no one there too. One interesting show be na 2 year we jam nyanto was share show ni bi no. Nyansa what's that show no na we love everyone to watch that because Nyansa mo impact on the youth and everything about opening business, how to do all that now. A very necessary ankasa. But anya no wasem ne kan ne daily wahala. Ne kan wasem ne sekene gapo di ne nko for that time so mu ye mistake obe yi o mu nyina di. I can di. I was out there take akra.
Yemhwe managers ye the adwuma show bi nsa as a manager. The expectation and say.
And let me tell you, how can you think say me meeting me free baby be manage everything? When we have incorporated, adi amwa yesisi, mo ye managers no na. Wo dey say onka wo dey na be ka jona. I mean foolish in my program my sisi a. En kwase SMP. What kind of nonsense is that? I've been sitting here all this while. Now we hear advert. A TV station now be kwa. One load advert no. Etwa susa the panelists are just sitting there. They obi a wash ofie. You think you are making money? You are rather losing because the person will just flip to another station. Okodu one interesting but they will not come. What kind of foolish system are you operating here? Now you want me to talk about somebody? I have to talk about my own stupid systems you have here. How can you run a whole advert? Who run away? What to paper number to what you can say? Who we are also YouTube now? Obiato. You think people who are watching will just be sitting there idle, looking at your advert? This is what we talk about: foolish managerial system. What you have to do? For the end 6, okay, some kakra, one my break kakra, no about advert, no wakasa. Now, what did you part of about 15 minutes? Why not? What's it? Nifia, what's it? Or show? Why? Obey wasting the time. Please. Now, one person may come before the American obedient. You are foolish in my one. We are making money ready. Which is some fun. What do you mean? I don't know you use magnet. Moon use magnet. Money me. Don't you watch CNN and other stations? Is that how they do adverts? Why? Sikabe 2000. We are educating people. It's more important than some fianga monies that we are making here.
Abuja Kennedy, you know, Mr. Kennedy is a no-nonsense, no-joke person. It doesn't matter, sir, I don't know, and you're now all kinds of this. Sometimes it makes sense. Because if you are doing a show and you are playing multiple acts throughout Abuja, nobody be judged at some point. The points on that was very valid, Ankasa. Above all, now will not like the tonality, the tone, no, they can't say at least the staffers now that's a workers won't appreciate that. But on any business, if something is going wrong, why not? But like I said, no, the show no was one of the just important shows where we are youth where you really need to keep watching and then stop watching that or J4 shows and all that. You have to look at that show. No, I'm a fan of that show, seriously. You know, I can't recommend it enough. Because they are impacting a whole lot of knowledge. I was showing now we see 2 more stories about Reverend Obofo near Chipalago. More response to Andy. Ni leak audio bia. Ga no kwa grada Obofo ni pobi kwa grada kwa keka nsembe biri abasa ga Chipalago near Obofo kunkum ni pade ne keka ho ne keka ho na busia. My respond kind of way be but before that video was brought to you by abexpress.com. AB Express a website ebusia ubetimi ato all Ghana stuff wo hia ewo ho say ye ntoma ubenya bi wo ho say ye ahenema ubenya bi wo ho say ye African prince made ne yapam nkoda de mema ebusia ubenya bi wo ho say ye games ya Africa ye ndije huin ludu dami ubenya bi wo ho nkutokora na ope bi ubenya bi wo ho Africa no ma bi a ope no ko abexpress.com including toma Abuja ubenya bi wo and as our physical store ba person sell online but you nim kwan a obefa so a Abuja ne AB Express nkasa or option a ubetimi de o store na ba beka no ne de no na manfo atowo no money directly through abexpress.com because I don't know your promotions that this all ba beka ne ho Abuja it goes in your favor nkasa I be bo wa manfo hu no ma na mo mu feel so mo to no money bi no o mbeto bia ma business na ko nanim ti Abuja so person sell online na so ni any other way bia na contact abexpress.com na Abuja mu hook up na be feel ya nkasa. Now, Abusia, finally, now on you talk about Reverend Obofo leaked audio be from the guy ending na Manasa Tamomoko Nana Grada Abusia ending reveal secrets expose you no more bebre about Obofo ding dong the size and the 10 Abusia about Nipokumo Mokum and all that. Now, people were expecting say Obofo have a cancer. What I think they say Obofo the case, and probably I'm a police for because it was very damning allegations and all that. But one guy with your social media, I can't say, we seniors or a cheap alago. Ababe responded, say, on your above 1 year here, near ending a cano, as well above what Ramayachi ending because Nsema Okano is sick and the guy is doing it in a way for attention. Would it a cheap alago statement to the Kakra?
Yeah, straight up, and that is the one and only a cheap alago, aka no size. Jack, me buafu pa. Just audio bia and crofo send mommy say akwa a friend Andy obofo akola kan kwa simbi say an and a meme no obofo akwesi ni akwesi just say time kra. Na dey na ekoso Ghana just say obi a person twan tro to ni nua so o ka simbi na say amanfo behwe no na odi gidi ne nkwasem tisin tronko na amanfo e ka fa amanfo no. Me imagine say ka me bu mani aguso but sa asem we nya asem ketwa ai o say metena ho. Sa Andy o se wan wane no. Sen kame ben baby o wan ka de am de ben no sen kame si abono kame abono rough why na ho sa na o de to o kan kwa asem no se o person gini din o so e de yun twitwa ntro to amanfo so social media e bloody kwa asem bia no obi kan fa obi hu so acha say ba wi wani a na asem no o mo fa na de onipa kona kana na because ye nte o side of the story me to no obi anya kronkron ba me ye kronkron e fa san kwa asem na o ka fa me ho se me ne Reverend Obofo e na Viana na say ni Reverend Obofo Tesa kwa we wa me anchi na ho me di hu yaw pa so wa me anchi say jimifo andi o so wa woni na ho me di hu yaw pa aga na kwasema ekoso time so obi timi ka entrofo obi hu na ni panet wona chese police for current mi friend to na no asa obe tu kwan betena brochi ense bi obe di 6 months bi ko ba obetena krom ha na ohun mra ne hu de ekwa eya na Ghana hokora no just a name of course one hour time. No disrespect to be or Ghana be out. But kwasem or Ghana too much. I can't send me. I can't would the say we are say up to now. Muntimi police for Muntimi friend or crying there and to Tonano. And when I'm the Jimmy or candy a Ginny Dean said him. Asem no can minimum she. Swat ya say. Mean to know me and say me dean. Mean to know me and say me image. Because I've worked hard to come this far. So I said this time kwasema ekoso social media ni tin me kire ma adwene so obi aso a blogger na Jimmy ni ntoko hunu kwa na moko no Reverend Obofo so am ya nche sa akwa we a ho me di hu ya bobobobobba the police for kwasema akwa we aka audio ni na mframa mu a amafo afa ne said ye o kan na say ye no kre say nya no kra mo ti wo hwe na mo mfre no entoto na no na se mra bi anya adwuma Ghana ho kwasiasem si akwa no.
Now, Buziachi Palago, no. Personally, no, I think that some of the things that guy in the can was that audio, no, were right. But say, bus any percum aspect in it, come on. That I don't believe. Now, it's left to the police and the CID and almost part, no, to investigate into the matter. If said they will take the case on, it's up to them to, verify and see, say, guy ne cannot create an auditor. Where does the truth lies? Because obi enti be swearing can no be or left and right and then go scot free. It doesn't work like that. Abuja what country I had them run a year, Juma. Obi enti be swearing can be saying, and then that thing gets leaked and no one takes the case on. So I think sir Reverend Obofo beer or the case number police for because if the content in that audio all was false, then some hairs needs to be rolled. Abuja. Now Reverend Obofo's live video I know what say. Asem ne kura de kind of would ya kwani audio no so ne tie some sections bia no kasa about asem no in a way kakra.
Sir, my attention has been drawn on a settled matter. My address now. Me address issue beyond. Me show bia Ghana obi anim said the only no air time.
Well, again in your time. You may think some more for bringing issues and no minimum, but as it turns out, we are Ghana for a dose wakasa. So if say you have the opportunity to clear some things, I think you should. But that all depends on you and how a person take the matter or two. What they say because Okasa is as well. Some people will take the words and then misconstrue it in a way it doesn't know to be some kind of way. So that I can understand. You're quite
Adia me pese odisha wadwene mu said never play with it. Emfa ni agoro da okasa mu odi obi a woyem wabrabo. Adia memfa ni agoro adia friend emra No matter how powerful you are. Now yes, you are very powerful. Ade a chi no ye emra. Tumi a wasasi we so eni asofo nsem o. Me yi asem bibire ano bet me bebie ade bi so akiro. Obi say daddy usuro bibi. Hwe. Time I ka say yenkochi Yesu mra na emra tumi na say yenkochi no. Yes what mra no. Akwanchire timeje no.
Well, that part is just kind of explaining say yemfa mre nia agro e wo Ghana no kura mfa mre nia agro Yesu Kristo kura no e ba mra abuzu mra di ni in a way. So I don't need to say onim the right way of doing things. Until there is no way say yes or yet normal be boom mra so e bia be ma ne ho akire no. So that all is to say ending sem na o kan no abuzu it's either wrong and as onim ni okeka.
Na yenhia de bi. Emre bi osofu bi ka asem bi fa me ho. Your friend no malope. I said me to human part. Enche obekai. Audio no call via. And only da obi di asem to me so amani bre me kasa e. So me asem ba me dan kasa. Then I came out. Ebi mu si chino malope dwane and am ye case. And ye chi malope. E chi malopa na manfo aso camera. Uye nyame nipa jaino. So which is which?
And they start to pick a Ghanaian stance. Yeah, dear no. As somebody buy ya, yanjino. Unyachi na munya. Ghana is real. Hey, you're.
But this is what I want you to understand. Me krana mi jina me no kasana. I am not bigger than the law. The oya mra kura mra chino. Emre bi meka nsem we mo bi betena ho ye oboy. Na nsem o kasa no no ade mra etufo. Je bibi na open ne akura. Be careful of your talks. Dear ye beti na chisi e be ye na djuma no. Oye niema bebre Yesu ye niema pi. But atro eni twato no so ade ne ko wuom. Onte Ghana ha ina obi kan se masoa efunu. Asoa efunu ho. E de akosi obi asore de efunu. Na wan kasa so obosu eni ewuda na mehwe Kristo nti.
Well, about of football so dear. Sometimes true, but sometimes no so do why and yet facts are there way so laying out. Because of being normal when next suffer for normal you show what this particular video mu ankasa. It makes no sense. For this of best and some fun waiting. What you say? Ubo bi am twade because o tu honhom boni afridi mu. E no ne yakwankyere. Yesu Kristo odi no te no de afọ obi eni so na ekọ. Okay, but no so de otwi nani so aga na ni sofu ye bie no so ye beka. Well, abuja Ghana no take it or leave it ye kasa. Ghana is a very big prison. Yeah, ye wom ni nyina no we have nowhere to go than to talk. What you say? That's the reason why.
Asemu bakura me I cannot do anything about it. Until quickly na me ama law enforcement agency. But obi person be ka kire me se wo sofo pa na adwuma na edin etoda eya bra yeshu mu kakra.
Well, abuja that and then I make say e bi asem ne bae no or de akwakoma police for enunti a on person be ka ho asem. So that no it makes sense. But I say sometimes Muslim put myself in his shoes and see how they feel. Yeah.
Dear udi ye unua na meeting a wutimu a efa unua bi ho a ubose ebo nsiri ha ye pagya wo no oso koto sa abo no se osi unua so aka kire ne se sore yenso ne nkan kire ne se on sore ne so. What I want you to understand is Ghana is my home. The din we dey me say men paper. My name is Francis Innocent.
Brother Francis Innocent nemfa odi obofo ayesa agrada o se ono na sesan ahunyame nti no or the Reverend Evangelist Patricia sesen odi obofo Innocent in Nigeria for di yamfa mfra da.
No one is bigger than the laws of this country. Boys now more street you know. Mo shoma na mo tutu mo kasa. Adwabo na uduru ase na ye pagya wa ye gu obi anim ase. Sa ponto ne gu a adwabo ne duru egu a nhyiamu ne gu a dodo na ekohia no so mo de ho adin na ekọ. Nti afa papa susum kakra.
Oh, wala bofo asemo de boni asusu na che. Mudi ne won komo boni a da bi obofo say. Mun kana wasem papa so kakra. What you say? Ba sempa ne de abusia I won't lie. Obofo sempa ne de amanfo kan pa. Adoya o ye ska otugu amanfo so amanfo kan da. Ba boni no so ba. That doesn't mean say o ye papa ntino na boni no so ye nka. If that the boni no munsem ne ye no kra e no so ye beka pa. Ghana we did like I said, very big prison. I'm
explaining here. ma hu se me town the APC family no ne madofo a mo wa bontin bebre a mo wa kontum ne ade no minya no misi minya sembia no na wo hwe mani ma metimi aye.
Well, Abusia, so that is basically it. What I say video no what metro link in YouTube description as well. So unya hu ya kona kopehwe because it's more like so also ma me yifi ano. So yes allegations no ma drop on that leaked audio no ba be ya no. That's not the agenda for this kind of saying the video where but that is the thing. No person actually say o Ghana say if say almost waye bibia o ho omomra meche no. What you say? So that is the angle, at least in response to the matters of the leaked audio, no, nothing concrete. But it's a concrete stuff on the bar. You basic dynamo. What you say? Magra here. I was your video where you are. Yeah, ending with her. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and click what man. So say new video be where be on. Buy an hour second. Till we meet again, Adios.